So friends, this is a Artesian. This particular one is a Piper Glen, and it's got this kind of a fountain that pops up, and it's got this little nut on the top. And these things were leaking like crazy, so I opened them up to figure out what the issue was. And if you'll look right here, you'll see what the issue is. The gasket has just disintegrated. So I started investigating and figured out that the only way to get this gasket is to buy the entire unit like this right here. So I came out with a solution for this. And so give me just a second, I'm gonna open this up so you can see it. So this is the gasket that comes in it. You can see that it's two O-rings made together. So I started looking for a solution for this, and this is the solution. We sell this on the website. It is just two O-rings, and these will work just like champines, and I will show you how. So friends, what I'm doing here is I'm putting these O-rings in, but right here where this light is, there's a big old hole. So one of the things that I'm gonna do is put silicone in that hole and seal the hole up. And then I'm gonna go around where the O-rings fit in. Not a lot of silicone, just a little, to kind of hold everything in place. And this tube is not fresh, so this is not gonna be a beautiful bead like you would hope for, but I think it's going to get the job done. But you've got to put your top in before this silicone where the light is dries, because if you wait till after it dries, that little piece right there won't go down in there. So the O-ring that comes with it has a little bevel to it, and that's why these are round, so these will not seal as well. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of silicone on the top as well. Just kind of squeeze it on there, spread it out, let it dry. And you want this part to be forward, which is the fountain is that direction. So I've got enough silicone on it. I'm going to put this on. Push that in. Now I'm going to take my gloves off. So silicone all over this cap. And in the morning, I'm going to let it dry overnight. These things will twist a little bit in the tub, so hold the top and hold the bottom and tighten it up real nice. Silicone off of it, and there you go. So we'll check it in the morning and see what it does, putting those in.
So we let it dry overnight, and the next morning, as you can see, she is dry all the way around and working like a champ. Go to our website, Hot Tub Parts of America. You'll see the link in the description. Click on the link. It'll take you straight there, this little kit. We made them up. We have solutions. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. I'm the spa guy.